Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I just did a video on the difference between a square corner on this line and a rounded corner. And then somebody asked, well, I tried it and my bevel doesn't do anything. Well, it's because it's a line. If you want to bevel it, you need to add it to a object that's got like square corners. Well, I'm going to go to the inside. Let's go to the outside. And there we have a bevel. So inside Corel, you can do that. Let's back up. You can have rounded corners on that box, or you can have square corners like a picture frame. Now, I wasn't going to do a video just for that, and I started thinking if you want to contour it, and without getting out a calculator, let Corel do your calculator. Let's say we want to do it 3/16 of an inch. So you just type in 3/16 and hit enter. And then that's 3/16. I think it's actually 1875, and it's just Corel just rounded it up. And I guarantee it's right on the money. I think I just got my digits set to a lower number. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.